Yo, yo, yo. Just dropping in, and I just wanted to say, rest in peace to Kobe. And my heart go out to his family. I would normally not speak too much on, these type of topics. Um, but I'm gonna get straight to the point. The type of helicopter that Kobe was flying in was a S-76. Um, this typical this helicopter has been experiencing problems for a very long time. You can go back and research and find articles related to crashes in this same particular type of helicopter. Um, I believe that our president, um, uh, I want to say Ivanka Trump, Jared Kushner's helicopter, uh, was experiencing the same type of problems, mechanical failure. Um, the company that makes these helicopters, uh, which I believe was Sikorsky, I believe, they should have had these helicopters recalled a long time ago. So if you go back, you can see articles from the past where these same type of helicopters have crashed, experienced some type of mechanical failure. 2018 was the case of Jared Kushner's helicopter experiencing the same type of failure. Um, I believe that he has the 76B. It's also made by the corporation Sikorsky, I believe, if I'm pronouncing it right. But it's spelled Sikorsky. Um, they had problems with that particular helicopter. Um, if you go back and you look at the article uh, about Kobe Bryant's helicopter, it was made by the same company, manufactured by the same company, and it was a S-76. So you have one case being Jared Kushner's uh, helicopter experiencing mechanical failures in 2018. Then you have Kobe's uh, aircraft, uh, what may be possible similar issues. Um, Not too certain of it because this hasn't been long since this took place. Um, and then you have other articles previous that has been released about these particular helicopters experiencing failure. So the company that manufactured these helicopters should have recalled or ordered some authority to recall these helicopters. So if they didn't recall these helicopters, being Kobe being a superstar, he uh he should have been the first ones on their list to recall this helicopter when they was experiencing these mechanical failures. One of the earlier cases that I found was 2007, where uh, it was a fatal crash that took place um, also behind the same corporation and the same type of helicopter. Um, this happened near Tallinn, I believe, according to a draft report. Um, it crashed. That helicopter crashed, and it was a fatal crash, um, possibly. Um, it was a fatal crash. So the, the the reason I'm saying this is because this can be premeditated, like a premeditated catastrophic mechanical corporation type of uh, uh, overlook, where they just did not follow the protocol to recall those type of helicopters. And Kobe had one. Kobe was uh, operating in the same area, so with owning one of these uh, helicopters. So just wanted to say, that you always do your research, and know that this thing is bigger than they probably would ever imagine, because it's lack of performance on the corporation that built these helicopters, because they was experiencing issues with these helicopters, and uh, they needed to be recalled for whatever the issues that they was experiencing, and they should have been taken off use until they could have figured out what was causing these helicopters to have these mechanical failures. So um, I'll have links to these articles if you want to check them out, um, and read them for yourself. Um, Kobe is not here today because of corporations that don't stand up for their clients, and address certain problems with uh, products that they have, and just neglect you know uh, their policies, and we lose people to tragedies. Um, so holla back. Always keep an open mind, and always research. And I'll talk to you later. Rest in peace, Kobe Bryant.